Has paid over 2.5 billion Kenya shillings to relocate people for the construction of the Thwake multi-purpose water development project in the county of Makueni. Now, the water project will be constructed in 3 phases, with the first targeting to connect households to clean water, while the second phase will focus on irrigation so as to boost agriculture, and then the third phase will focus on power generation.
So we expect the entire project to take about 73 months to the end, and we expect an investment of about 50 to 60 billion, of which about 65% will be GOK funded. The initial compensation targets the dam print area, and because that's where phase 1 will start, I think we will look into other future compensations as the project evolves.